In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause payment on Patreon. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Patreon does not offer a direct pause button for supporters or patrons who want to temporarily stop paying a creator. So if you're a member trying to pause your payments, the way to do it is by canceling your membership now and then rejoining later whenever you're ready. That's the workaround Patreon currently uses for supporters. To get started, log into your Patreon account. Once you're signed in, go to your account settings. From there, open the Memberships tab. This is where you'll see the creators you're currently supporting. Next, find the creator whose payments you want to stop for now and click View Details. Inside that membership area, look for the option to cancel the membership. Go ahead and click Cancel Membership, then confirm your choice when Patreon asks you to review it. After you cancel, your access usually remains active until the end of your current paid period. That means you won't immediately lose the benefits you've already paid for, but you also won't be charged again after that billing cycle ends. If you decide to come back later, you can simply subscribe to that creator again whenever you want. Now, if you're actually a creator rather than a supporter, the process is different. Patreon does allow creators to pause billing for their own members. To do this, go to your account settings using the left side menu, then select Billing and Payouts. Inside that section, look for the Pause Billing option. Click it and then confirm your selection. This will skip charges for one billing cycle. One thing to keep in mind is that if you want to pause billing for more than 1 month, you'll need to return and do it again for each additional cycle, since it doesn't continue automatically. So to quickly recap, supporters cannot directly pause a payment on Patreon. Instead, they need to cancel the membership and rejoin later. Creators, on the other hand, can pause billing from the Billing and Payout section of their settings. If you're following along, just make sure you choose the path that matches your account type so you don't accidentally use the wrong method. Taking a moment to double check whether you're a patron or a creator can save time and avoid confusion. And that's how to pause payment on Patreon in 2026.